So good. What is up? I'm here just enjoying my iced whipped coffee. It's so good. I'm gonna show you how to make this. So there are 5 main ingredients to this whipped coffee. So first thing first, you are going to need some coffee. Any brand is good, just make sure it's the instant coffee. Also, you are going to need some sugar, some ice because we're making an iced coffee, and we need milk of your choice, and some creamer. Now the creamer is optional, and we also need 2 tablespoons of hot water. So I'm going to show you how to make it now. Okay, so now let's get down to business. So you're going to need a little bowl to mix the coffee and the sugar. I do 2 ratio. So here's my bowl. I'm going to add the sugar. Here's 1 and 2. Now you can add more sugar if you like, or more coffee if you like. Since I'm going to add the creamer, I feel like 2 spoonfuls are good. So now I'm going to add the coffee. Here's 1 and 2. Okay, so now we're going to grab hot water and add 2 tablespoons. Okay. Woo. So here's 1 and 2. So now we are going to whip it. And if you have a whisk, that would honestly be better, but I don't have a whisk, so I'm just going to do it with the fork. And then I'm just going to start whisking. So whisk away. This is how it's supposed to look. It's like thick. See that? Okay, so now we're gonna grab a cup. I'm gonna use this one. We are going to add some milk. Or sorry, ice goes first. So let's add the ice. Okay, now we're going to add the milk. Okay, and now we are going to pour the whipped coffee inside our cup. And mix away. Okay, so now that you mixed it, now you can add the creamer. I honestly wish I had vanilla, but it's okay. I'm not mad. We got hazelnut. I'm just gonna add a very little. Let's see how I did. So good. You guys, you need to try this. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and that's how you make some ice whipped coffee. Let me know in the comments below if you do try it and if you liked it. Alrighty guys, thank you so very much for watching, and that concludes today.